Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a campaign on Mailchimp. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type mailchimp.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you into this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen. Of course, if you have an account, you can simply go and click at login into your account, so you can actually enter your name or user's name or email, then password, then you can log in into your account. If you don't have an account, you can actually scroll down here and see all the plans that they have. They have the 3 paid plans and 1 free plan. Once you choose whatever plan suits you, let's use this as an example, they're gonna get you to the section where you can actually create your account. As you can see, let's just click add this free plan, sign up for free, or sign up free, and that should take you here. Simply just enter your email, username, and password, then click on sign up. Let me do that and I'm coming back. So now you'll have to check your email by just going to your email and activate it by the message that they're gonna send you. Once you activated your account, you'll find yourself here again, so let's just click at continue free. Here, you'll have just to enter your first name, last name, so let's just enter those. That is like suggested for me and click on next. Of course, the phone number is just optional. And here, of course, you'll have to enter your address, thanks, and etc. So let's just enter those, click on next. And here, of course, you'll have to answer some questions. If you don't want to, it's cool. You can just keep pressing at next, as you can see. But the first one, you should actually just answer it. And you will see the rest of them, you can actually keep clicking at skip. Once you finish, click on finish. And as you can see, once you click on let's go, you will find yourself on the home screen of the Mailchimp websites. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to create a campaign. And of course, if we want to do that, we can go to this left panel and click on create, or we can click on create campaigns, then click on create campaign at the top right corner. Both works. So let's just go in here and create, click at create campaign, click, of course, choose whatever suits you. For me, I'm just going to create a regular email by clicking add this design email, and that should take me to the campaign builder. Of course, here I can choose a layout, or I can choose a theme, or even if you have some saved template or campaigns or code your own, if you want to like enter your own code, HTML code or something like that, you can do all of that by yourself. For me, I'm just going to choose a simple theme, like a theme that's given here. Of course, you have other stuff. And here, of course, let's just wait for this campaign builder until it loads. Here, you can edit whatever you want on it. Of course, you can edit those blocks by deleting them, or even add some new blocks if you want, and you can edit whatever you want once you add it. Once you finish, click on continue. And of course, that's appears to me because I add some things and I add nothing on it. So let me just delete the things that I added because I add nothing. So now let's click at continue. Exit anyway. As I said, I didn't even change the text block, so I should have deleted that as well. For you, of course, if you edit everything by your own, you will not have this problem. And here, of course, you can actually just edit the recipient that you don't want them to receive this section. And of course, you can even edit the from, where this email coming from. You can add the subject line simply, and even change the content if you want, edit it or even list it as it is. Once you finish, you can send it right now or schedule it whenever you want, or you can even click on finish later to finish it whenever you want by clicking on this edit section. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.